In this video, we're unboxing the Universal Valve Spring Compressor Tool. This is the Universal Valve Spring Compressor. The lever-style valve spring compressor main bar. The extension bolt. The pivot point attachment. The valve spring compression attachment. The mounting screws. The pivot point fixing attachment. The valve spring compression head. The main advantage of this tool set, it's avoiding removing the cylinder head, which saves a ton of labor time compared to pulling the head, fits the valve seal replacements, valve lapping, and other small repairing jobs. Now let's move on to how to use the tool. First, grab the pivot point attachment. Grab the pivot fixing attachment. Twist them together. Next, grab the valve spring compression attachment. Choose the correct size compression head for the valve spring. Attach it to a cymbal. If the spring length compresses too far, we can use the extension bolt to extend. Then install the correct size spring head. Now grab the lever handle. Remove the locking ring from the pivot attachment. Line it up with the hole and insert it. Next, depending on the distance between the valve spring and the pivot point, choose the correct hole and install it. Pull the pull ring out. Install the pull ring back. After assembly is done, let's move to how to use this tool. This time, we use this engine as an example. Find the valve spring need to remove. Then locate a bolt near it. If there's no bolt in that area, we can use the mounting screws in the kit. If the mounting screws doesn't fit, then we need to find a proper one for the pivot point. Now let us move to how to use the tool. First, we need to find the pivot point. Set the pivot point in place. Then line up the compressor tool over the valve spring. Using the lever principle, push down firmly on the handle. We can see the valve spring is compressing. Now we can remove the valve spring.